I paint things, I build things. And the true statement is you cannot have construction without a little destruction. So the Republican Party is about to be destroyed, but it will be rebuilt, and it will be for Donald Trump and for the people of America.
So do you see yourself more of a Trump supporter than a Republican?
I'm more of a Trump supporter than a Republican. If they try to steal his nomination, I'm voting independent, Donald Trump, because he will run as an independent and he will crush the rest of them. It will be the first time in American history that we will have an independent president.
You do your construction out on
Out east. I have a business out east. I do work out east.
Hamptons and stuff too?
I do work right in the Hamptons. I'm actually right on the border of the Hamptons. And I have to say that illegal immigration is a major issue for us on Long Island. I mean, right now, 9 out of 10 guys that are working on Long Island are working illegally. So how is as a contractor supposed to compete with that? And the only thing I want is a level playing field, and I believe Donald Trump will enforce the law and make it easier for everybody to be on an even plateau. And that's all I ask for. Fair and true. Fair and true. That's all I want. Okay, guys? I lost my voice.
Sounds all right.
I lost my voice for America. Vote Donald Trump. Thank you.
Can we see your sign real quick?
Yep.
Trump for
Hold it
America.
up. So what's next?
Next, I'm going to go home. I'm going to take a nice hot shower, eat some food, and watch me on TV. What else is there?
And then you get back to work this week.
That's right. And then I go back to work on Monday. I do a little bit of painting. I'll do a little bit of this and do a little bit of that. The economy's not like it used to be. It used to be booming in the Hamptons. I mean, but now it's an employee market. Employer market. Before it was an employee market. And now, when they brought in all the cheap labor, now we can't even compete anymore. And that's why I'm here. I'm angry.
And how do you feel like in New York? How do you feel like it's split? Do you feel like there's more of you or more of them?
Well, I believe that most people stand behind Donald Trump, and you'll see by the vote. Not necessarily will they stand out here like me for Donald Trump, because most people will vote for Donald Trump when they go into the booth. And I'll tell you why. Because if you have a little bit of common sense, you know that you want to be able to make money and thrive in a country like America. And Donald Trump has proven it over and over again. So if you want to be rich, learn from the rich. And Donald Trump is the man to do that.
You respect him as a builder?
I respect him as a businessman, yeah. I admire him. He's the American dream, amplified by 1 billion times over. Donald Trump is the American dream. How can you not love the American dream? He's as good as apple pie. I mean, you don't get any more American than Donald Trump.
So how come now? Are you guys buddies? You never met before.
The guy with the flannel shirt, I drove here with him. Me and him, me and Tom. This gentleman believes in Donald Trump. He came here all the way from New Jersey to stand with us. He doesn't have, he's a little bit different, maybe not as loud as boisterous as us, but at the end of the day, he's the one that's not going to have to drink tea with lemon, right?
Or hot toddy.
Or a hot toddy.